Alright everybody, so I'm back. This is what I'm back with. So this is the hair paint wax, a splash of color. I got gold and red, so I'm excited. I've always wanted to dye my hair and I've always been just way too afraid. So especially now that I went natural and I don't use any products, I mean any type of brain fart. Whatever, I'm natural. I'm totally having a brain fart, but it's okay, it's cool. So I got gold and red and my hair is freshly washed. I actually just put up a video on what I used on my hair. You guys need to go check that out, by the way. And so I'm excited to try this. I'm definitely thinking about mixing them, but then at the same time I actually only want to use one color at a time just to see like how it's gonna look, how it's gonna take. So I think with the burgundy, the red, I think I'm going to do maybe the halfway point. So, oh yeah, see that, yes. So maybe half and keep the roots black, and then after a few days of having that, and then go to the gold. I think that I will do only the tips. So I think that's where I'm going with this. We about to work it out. What? I'm back. It took a little while, but it's all good. So let me let you guys see. Yeah. So I'm excited. I did get pink, red, burgundy, whatever color this is gonna come out. I did get it everywhere, but not because it's messy, but because I'm just messy. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited to see how it's gonna come out in the morning. I just kind of low-key wish I had a dryer so I could let this sit in the dryer right now. And I'm looking in the mirror. So I can sit under the dryer right now and let this dry and undo it in the morning. I'm super stoked, super excited. I want to come back and show you guys how my hair is looking this morning. Nice and dry. So I put the little ponytails in, of course, for the stretching. So we're just going to go ahead and take this out. I'm just going to use a little bit of Cantu oil while I do this. So help reduce the frizz. Alright, so I'm almost done taking these apart. I think it came out nicely. I'm actually very excited. This is my first time having any type of color in my hair, so for it to be able to just wash out, I'm excited.